Green horizons.
Welcome to our creative session on designing a unique plant box with pots, flowers, and plants. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just starting out, this script will help you transform ordinary plant boxes into beautiful focal points. Decide on a theme for your plant box. You could go for a minimalist look with simple pots and monochrome flowers, or a vibrant theme with colorful flowers and mixed textures. The key is to create a design that reflects your personal style and complements your surroundings. Step 3. Arrange the pots. Begin by placing the pots inside the plant box. Vary the sizes and shapes to create depth and visual appeal. Taller pots should be placed towards the back, while smaller pots can go in the front. You can also add a few hanging pots over the sides for a cascading effect. Step 4. Add flowers and plants. Once the pots are in place, it's time to add your flowers and plants. Fill each pot with potting soil and carefully plant your chosen flowers and greenery. Consider mixing different types of plants, such as succulents, ferns, and flowering plants, for a diverse look. Step 5. Decorate with stones and gravel. To add a finishing touch, sprinkle decorative stones or gravel around the pots. This not only adds texture, but also helps with drainage. If you have extra space in the plant box, consider adding small figurines or garden ornaments for a whimsical touch. Step 6. Water and maintain. After setting up your plant box, water the plants according to their needs. Be sure to use appropriate fertilizers to keep your flowers and plants healthy. Regularly check for weeds and prune any overgrown areas to maintain the unique design.